Let's get a feel for the stock market from a professional trader. Joining us now is Michele Schneider of the Market Gauge Group. Always love to have you on our show, Michele. And what's the trend of this market?
Well, after taking about a 10% correction, which is really the third time we've seen a 10% correction over the last several months, that's actually considered a normal correction, and we've been seeing bounces. But the bounce on this time, even though it is a good thing overall for equities, does seem to be a little bit shallow in that we started out Monday with being negative. However, the inflation fears are still out there, so it's going to be a real, I think at this point, what happens with the yields. And we have a lot of Fed speak this week. That could impact the market, although we're still expecting them to remain somewhat accommodative. And also, we have to continue here to watch what happens with the dollar. The dollar being down is good for the commodities, and some say for the equities, but there's a point where the dollar goes down where things get a little bit frightening because it shows just a lack of confidence in the United States in general. So we're at a very pivotal point here in the market. I would love to see the NASDAQ hold and clear its 50-day moving average. That would bring a lot more confidence, but if it starts to turn lower from here and can't clear it, we may start to see that selling come back in as the week progresses.
Tell us more. Where is the 50-day moving average in the NASDAQ?
It's right now at about 327 in QQQ. 319 has been pivotal, and under 315, I think we're going to see a little bit of trouble. So those are the levels to keep an eye on this week.
What would be your trade of the day?
Well, weeks ago, we told your viewers about gold and silver, and they started out this week really strong. So at this point now, I think that we're starting to see not only gold and silver wake up, but the potential to get relatively parabolic as the gold cash takes out 1850, 1900 is not too far away. And then we could really start to see it fly from here. So we're already in it. We're looking to add.
Thanks so much, Michele, for your Trader Talk, as always.
Thank you, Angie.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.